Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a custom text box for product customization on your Shopify cart page. This is a simple but powerful way to let customers add special requests or personalization, making their shopping experience more unique. Adding this feature is especially helpful if you sell customizable products like engraved items, gift sets, or anything that might require extra details from the customer. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand side, click Online Store. This is where you'll manage the look and feel of your storefront. If you're new to Shopify, the Online Store section is where you'll spend most of your time adjusting visual settings and improving your store's design. Next, under the Themes section, you'll see your active theme. Click Customize. This will open Shopify's theme editor, where you can make visual and functional changes to your store. The theme editor gives you a real-time preview, so you can instantly see how your changes will look on both desktop and mobile. Inside the editor, look at the left-hand menu and find the cart settings. Once you're in the cart section, look for the option labeled Enable Cart Note. Turn this option on, and just like that, a text box will appear on your cart page. Depending on your theme, you may also have additional customization options like renaming the label or adjusting the placement of the text box. This allows customers to leave customization requests, personalization details, or any special instructions related to their order. This feature can also be useful for gift messages, delivery preferences, or notes about product variations that aren't listed as standard options. Finally, don't forget to save your changes in the top right corner. This step makes sure your new text box is live on your site. After saving, it's a good idea to test the cart page yourself to confirm everything displays correctly and the note appears in the order details inside your Shopify admin. And there you have it. You've successfully added a custom text box to your Shopify cart page. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in customer satisfaction, giving shoppers more flexibility and creating a more personalized experience. Features like this help build trust and can even increase your conversion rate, especially for stores that offer made-to-order or customizable products. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your Shopify store. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and comment below if you'd like a future tutorial on customizing product pages, adding variant options, or creating advanced personalization fields.